8 brilliant ways to bring excitement back to your cubicle job. Day jobs can get a little dull sometimes, especially when you're caught in a cubicle, staring at the same faux walls day after day. After all, how fun can it be when your entire existence has been confined down to a desk, a computer screen, and whatever bits of office furniture you've managed to make fit? If you're finding yourself a little burned out, then try one of these brilliant ways to bring excitement back to your cubicle job. Start something new. What isn't working right now? If you've spent any time in your job, you've probably already identified some problem areas. Asking your boss to let you lead up a project to solve those problem areas will infuse new enthusiasm into your day, while at the same time addressing a definite need. Learn a new skill. It could be your job has grown stale because you're doing too much of the same old thing. Consider learning some new skills. This would make you available to work in areas you haven't before. Take on more responsibility. It's a lot easier to feel enthusiastic about a project you have more of a stake in. Ask to help. Volunteering to take an active part in something gives you ownership and also shows a real go-getter attitude. Isn't it time for a promotion? Are you perhaps feeling stagnant because you've been in the same place for a while? Schedule a meeting with the supervisor. Even if you don't get a promotion, you will at least be able to ask what you can do to move ahead. Get to know your coworkers. Make better use of your time in the break room by networking with others in the company. You never know who you're going to meet or how that person might be beneficial to you. Start fresh. Have you lost sight of your goal? If this is the case, it's time to revisit your vision. What are you aiming for? Where are you in the process? Finding you're still on track revitalizes work. Redecorate. Maybe it's the cubicle itself. How about redecorating? If you're allowed, bring something from home to cheer the place up. Take time off. A vacation, or even a more prolonged sabbatical, might be in order if you're really burned out. When is the last time you had some time off? If you do take a break, do not bring work with you. This is your time away to recharge. In the end, your mood is really up to you. If you're still struggling at work after trying these tips, you might want to consider moving on. It could be you're just not in the right place.